Hello, welcome. My name is Veldboom, and I'm a 3D designer from the southeast of Amsterdam. And in this YouTube video, I just tend to make videos where I update people on the things that I've been working on. Sometimes I also take you guys along for the process. I hope to do that way more in the future, but I don't really always have the time to kind of record and document everything that I've been working on. But hopefully those problems will also be solved within the next coming months and weeks. Because I have a couple of things planned and planned out for the summer to come, and I'm just very excited about all of this stuff. So without wasting more time, let's get into it. The first and the most high thing on my priority list is the car that I'm actually working on, because as you see the smile on my face, whenever I'm just talking about it, I get geeked up about it, because just the thought of eventually driving my own car keeps me awake at night and make sure that I always kind of get back to the office. But over the past 2 or 3 weeks, I just haven't been able to actually work on the car because I've just been busy with doing other projects to kind of also further, other ideas and things that I'm working on. So within my schedule, I need to figure out set moments where I actually get to continue working on the car again. But this car is basically made as a flagship product to also showcase what our company is capable of. We're developing and designing prototypes for things that are way bigger than what we kind of usually get to do. And that is also what I also want to do in the future, is just developing IPs like that, where either I can get into the production of these objects myself, or I could find partners to partner up with and take over some of those components, because the logistics and management of employees and stuff like that is something that it takes also a whole lot of experience that I don't have yet at the moment. But also I feel like I really want to do it because at the same time I also think that building the cars here locally in the southeast of Amsterdam will allow 30 or 40 kids from our neighborhood to actually be educated on how you would build a car, and that they actually become part of our company as the mechanics, and that is just such stuff that I would really love to do. But the car itself is intended for the bicycle lanes of the southeast of Amsterdam for the beginning. We're gonna expand obviously, but it's a car that is then also in the category of the Opel Roxy or the Biro, but it's now a little bit more sporty. This is what it's going to end up looking like. The front wheels broke off, so it kind of, but I will also showcase the entire car and where the status of it is actually, because we're now building this in true life scale that is actually drivable, so we actually will be driving this this summer. Let me not put a date on it, but as soon as possible. But that is now something that is very short to come. Basically, the major thing that we have to fix still is that we have the actual motors, but they respect for wheels that were about 10 inches, and now we actually have 17-inch rims and wheels on the car. So every single rotation that the wheels driving needs a whole lot of torque to actually put a car in motion. Whole long engineering story, but basically what I need to do is develop a gearbox system to where there's a first gear in the car, second, third, fourth maybe, but that is something that I've already designed, but now I just need to assemble it and make it come together, so that is something that I will be working on over the next coming weeks. Also, one of the reasons why I haven't been able to work on that the past couple of weeks is because from my other company that I have with Sunga Linger, good friend of mine, brother that we work with every single day down near,